Okay, my dear Vlaj Journal friends, this is supposed to be the first lesson of Slovene. The lesson I promised you, I think, a week or so ago. So before we start talking more about Slovene or talking in Slovene, which is our ultimate goal, I think that you should probably know a bit more about few peculiar things that are connected to Slovene. The first one is that in Slovene or in Slovenian language, every single letter counts. You have to pronounce every single letter. So I think we can start the exercise with the word Ljubljana, which is the name of the city I live in, which is also the capital of Slovenia, so it's Ljubljana. It's funny, the abbreviation we have on our license plate is LJ, which is the same as Live Journal, so Ljubljana. And the second one, when you see some writing done in Slovene, you will probably notice some strange letters that have this little roof atop of them. We call this little roof the circumflex, and this circumflex somehow changes the way these letters are pronounced. We use it on letters C, S and Z. When you use it on C, you get the letter Ch, which is CH. When you use it on S, you get the letter Sh, which is SH. And when you use it on Z, it becomes the letter Ž, like pleasure. Yes, it's all about pleasure here in Slovenia. So, and the highest and the most terrible thing today is the word with Ch, Sh and Ž. It's križišče. Junction or crossroad, depends what part of the world you're coming from. So I think that should be it for today. So to round up the first lesson, we say nasvidenje when we mean goodbye, or practically when we say see you. So nasvidenje.